Hey guys, RTT back here for another video, guys. Today we're looking at the brand new Oppo's foldable phone that comes out tomorrow, and the big statement now is there a crease down the middle on the Oppo's phone? So you guys do not know, when Oppo released their phone, announced their phone, the whole thing about it was that there was a creaseless display. No crease down the middle like the Z Fold 3. As you guys can see on the screen right there, the Z Fold 3 does have a crease down the middle, while of course Oppo's phone has a brand new mechanism, a brand new technology that allows them to avoid having a crease down the middle. This, by the way, is coming in from Sir of MS Power User, who posted this because this is actually having people outraged. After more and more images have come out of the brand new Oppo's phone, people are upset, saying that they lied to them, that they said there was going to be no crease, and there was a crease. So let's take a look at some of these images. Starting off right away, this is our first image of the Oppo's phone, using obviously in having it in media consumption mode. And you guys can see, yeah, there looks like there's a crease down the middle. I mean, if you guys look right here, it literally looks like there's crease, and then also in the middle it's kind of like a little bit, jungled up. Overall wise, it definitely looks like the idea of it being a creaseless display does not hold up completely. Now, based on what everyone is saying on Reddit, people are saying all over, is that no, this is just the wrong angle. You look at a different angle, you won't see this crease at all. It's just a bad angle for the phone, and that's why you see the crease. Also, maybe it's like reflecting off something else, which is causing this image to kind of be messed up a little bit, and that there's no crease at all. Now, again, like I said, I personally have no issue with a crease on my phone. I use the Z Fold 3 every single day. I never have an issue with the fact it has a crease on the phone. I don't really care about it. But I know there's a lot of people who do care about the fact of having a crease on the phone. And with that being said, with coming out with saying, hey, listen, this is a creaseless phone. This is no crease at all. And I'm not sure if Oppo officially came out with that statement or if that was just, speculated from, people looking at this phone. But at the same time, it's like there has to be some kind of some kind of transparency saying listen, there's going to be a crease on this phone. It's every time you use a foldable display, a foldable phone, unless you're using the Duo 2 that has a hinge down the middle, you're going to have somewhat a foldable, a crease down the middle. So again, like I said, you guys look at this image right here. You guys can see at this angle, it definitely looks like there's a crease down the middle right there. And our last image right here, more favorable light conditions for the Oppo's phone. Again, you see this, it looks still like there's a crease. It's a little bit better, it looks like, but it definitely looks like there's still a crease here and a crease here right around that hinge. So again, like I said, guys, it's one of those things where once these images came out, a lot of people got upset. A lot of people thought they were lied to, saying, hey, listen, you guys said there was no crease. There's a crease down this phone. Because a lot of people are going to be picking up the Oppo's phone strictly over the Fold 3 because of no crease. Because there's no crease on the display, a lot of people are picking that up. And a lot of people, love the Surface Duo 1 and 2 because it has no crease down the middle, but they can't get over the fact that it has that hinge. Now, there's no hinge on this phone, and there's no hinge on the Fold 3, but that crease is really taking away from them buying the actual cell phone. And again, like I said, if you are buying a cell phone because there's no crease down the middle, I recommend not doing that, because not only is that crease right now, let's say, for example, you look at this image right here, right? Oh, that crease is nothing. That crease is nothing at all. Over time, we don't know how many times before that crease starts becoming a thing, because Oppo has claimed that they have tested these phones foldable wise 2,000 times, right? 2,000 folds, and they have worked out perfectly fine. Now, with that being said, we don't know how long before that foldable glass, that foldable display, this is Oppo's first phone. This is Oppo's first generation of their phone. So we don't know how long before that crease starts going ahead and becoming a thing. Again, like I said, based on the claims, there has been new technology, new mechanism to avoid having a crease down the display. How long before that mechanism fails? How long before that becomes an issue and they can't use that? You got to keep in mind, Samsung has had 3 generations of this phone. They cannot perfect a mechanism to avoid that crease down the middle. If they could, they would. Trust me, they do not want that crease down the middle. They know it's hurting sales. So with that being said, if Oppo somehow, some way, over Samsung, found a way to create a creaseless phone, and Samsung, for some reason, did not know how it worked, then I feel like there's a reason why. There's a reason why Samsung isn't going all out to make sure their phone has creaseless displays. If the mechanism worked, unless Oppo just found a secret formula here, there's probably a reason why Samsung hasn't done it yet. Again, like I said, we have to wait and see. I'm picking up the Oppo's brand new phone as soon as I can to show it off and kind of, break it down, because I'm excited to see how this works, how this looks. And to be honest, wise, it really is going to come down to, this is a first generation technology for this company. So take everything with a grain of salt when it comes to, if there are mistakes or issues. It's going to be one of those things, just like the Surface Duo 1, Surface Duo 2, where we're going to have to see it fixed in the Duo 2. So this might be one of those, this is a great step forward, but you're just simply not there yet. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one.